Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks the Economic Times for inviting me to this event and giving me this opportunity to speak a few words. Education itself is a challenge, and it is more in a country like India, where we have big numbers of statistics, 15 lakhs schools, 1 crore teachers, and 25 crore students. Besides, we have the geographic, cultural, and linguistic diversity. I come from Assam, which is more diverse, and we run school education in as many as 9 language mediums because of our diversity. And to add on that, the NEP 2020, it envisages education in mother tongue or home language, particularly in pre-primary and primary education. And we have n number of such dialects, home language or mother tongue in Assam, and which we have already decided to implement. Honorable Education Minister of India, Dharmendra Pradhanji, while visiting Assam, declared that Assam would be the language laboratory of the country, and he has asked us to make experiments and create model for other states to follow, and that we are doing. We had another challenge of having large number of schools established immediately in the pre and post-independence period, particularly at the initiative of the people, and those schools were popularly known as Bhansar School. So the government wanted to bring all these schools under the ambit of government-run schools, and we have completed the process through several acts of provincialization of educational institutions, the latest being that act of 2017. But despite having the large number of schools, we have areas, as you have a few minutes back mentioned about the education in the hinterland. We have